Y'all, I know it's been a while since I did a pattern haul, but your girl picked up 6 patterns that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. But I also paired these patterns with other patterns that I picked up back in January doing the Simplicity drop for their, I think it was the spring Simplicity pattern. So I paired these with those to make a collection. Now, am I going to get all the collections done this year with Joann's being closed? I don't know. However, I do have some fabrics that I could pair with these as well and make a collection. So let's talk about it. Hey everyone, I'm Rochelle and I'm the girl that gives you all the pattern sales, sew-alongs, and behind the scenes of any and everything in between. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing those 6 patterns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that I picked up a couple of weeks ago, really, to be honest with you. It's just, your girl's been busy behind the scenes. So I haven't been sharing fabrics and patterns and stuff that I've been picking up, but I'm going to get caught up, okay? So we're going to talk about it, you guys. Please give me some grace. That if you guys noticed in the last 2 weeks, I scaled down on how many videos I posted. I know one week it was only one video, and I know you guys was like, wait, Rochelle ain't posted a video? Listen, behind the scenes, I am currently working on 2 frock tails, a 5-piece set, a pattern testing. Your girl's been busy behind the scenes. It's just I haven't been sharing everything that I'm working on behind the scenes. However, I have 1 frock tail skirt and top done for the South Florida frock tail. I am excited about that, yes. I'll be working on Atlanta frock tail this upcoming week. I'm pattern testing that I'm working on tonight and tomorrow. And then I'm going to close it out with finishing up my 5-piece collection that was for March, but hoping to get it done by the end of April so we could start a new collection May 1st. That's the goal, but we'll talk about that in an upcoming video. All right, so today is April 14th. This Monday, April 14th. I just got home about 2 hours ago. I had a happy hour. So we're going to share these 6 patterns that I picked up. And I'm going to share with you guys the patterns that I'm going to put with them to build a collection. Now, normally I wouldn't share this with you guys, but you guys always ask me all the time, like, Rochelle, how do you put the collections together? How do you think of what patterns pairs very well with these? So I'm going to kind of share that with you today in this video of why I would put these patterns together a little bit, but we want to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first pattern. Now, I bought all my patterns in PDF. I said this before that I buy them in PDF and print whenever I get ready to use it, simply because I have a lot of patterns that are in paper. I have 3 Tupperwares of patterns that I need to post to sell. Yes, I did say that. I know I've been saying that, but I had to bring my storage back over to my house in order to do that. So before you ask, when am I having the pattern sell? You guys, I am literally trying to upload all the patterns into the storefront that I'm using. So bear with me. I'm trying to have it done as quick as possible, but just give me some grace. You will know when that sale happens, okay? I promise you, you guys will know when that sale happens. It's a lot of patterns, so give me some time to finish it up, all right? So let's go ahead and get into the first pattern. Now, this pattern is not new. It's actually an older pattern. I picked this pattern up because I made it back in the days, and yes, I'm saying back in the days. I want to say about 2021, I think I did this pattern. And the thing about this pattern, which is McCall's 8040, by the way, I'll put all of these up on the screen so you're able to see it. I picked this pattern up, and one thing about this pattern was it was too tight in the biceps. So I decided to go ahead and pick this pattern up. I actually have it printed already. I thought that I was going to have enough fabric to make this button-down shirt for the 5-piece collection that I'm making right now in that green. And I'm going to put the fabric up on the screen so you're able to see it. However, I do not have enough fabric for that. So I'm going back to the drawing board. I'm scratching my head and see where I could put that top in at, hopefully for this collection. If not, it will be in an upcoming collection this year. Why? Because I feel like I need this top in my wardrobe. All right. So it's McCall's 8040. It's just a pattern that I picked up because I had it in paper pattern. And to be honest with you, the boobs got a little bit bigger. So that's what we did. All right. I needed a bigger size to cut. All right. But that's the first pattern that I picked up. Let's go ahead and move over to the next pattern. So the next pattern I picked up is a skirt pattern. Now this one I purchased because I bought other patterns that I feel that would go very well with this one. So I'm going to tell you the patterns that's in that collection. You could definitely use this. You know what? Like, I don't care if you use it or not, because I mean, if you want to write the whole collection down and use it, that's up to you. It's just, I'm sharing the information because it's not to say that I'm going to do this collection or do something similar. Use it how you choose. All right. But this pattern is Simplicity 3070. We already talked about it. It reminds me of the Mimi G skirt. I shared that when the pattern dropped. However, I feel that this skirt can be used as a 5-piece collection. Now, in that 5-piece collection, I was looking at where I could literally put this skirt at. And what I land on is if you take 2 top patterns, this skirt pattern, and pair it with a jacket, you can have a 5-piece set. So if you think about it, if you take that skirt, pair it with a button-down shirt, any button-down shirt pattern that you want. There was a Simplicity pattern that came out in the spring. You could take that pattern or you could use a TNT. Now, before you ask me what button-down shirt I have on, it's Simplicity 9707. I have a full, complete pattern review on this pattern. And Simplicity 9707 would be a good pattern to use and pair it with that. Have a solid button-down shirt, have this skirt, and then pair it with another top. Another top, I wouldn't even say necessarily another top. It can be another top, but I would definitely say a vest pattern. Vests are the thing right now. So it would be great to take the skirt, take the button-down skirt. Take the skirt, take the button-down shirt, take a vest pattern, which would be 3 items. After that, style it with a jacket. One of the jackets that I'm going to use, or blazer that I'm going to use, is Mimi G's pattern, which is Simplicity 3071. Pair that with it. So you can have the skirt, the button-down shirt, and the jacket. Or you can have the skirt, the button-down shirt, and the vest, right? And you bring all that together by having a bottom, another bottom. So I already talked about the vest. I talked about the button-down skirt. I talked about the blazer. I talked about the skirt. Now we're talking about the pants, or the bottoms, right? So the pants that I'm going to say is like some barrel pants. You can use the Vogue pattern. You can use that Simplicity pattern that just came out. You can use the Butterick pattern. You could use Happily Dressed. Brandon from Happily Dressed, he has the Know Me pattern. That's a barrel leg pants. And I just feel like all 5 items together will serve as a really good collection. Now, if you want me to repeat it, just go ahead and rewind it back real quick and you can hear all the patterns or the items that I think would be great to pair this skirt with in order to get a good collection. All right, let's go ahead and move over to the third pattern that I picked up during the sale. I don't even remember which sale it was because it's been about 2-3 weeks since I picked these patterns up, but I can say it was a McCall Simplicity sale. It could have been the 70% off sale. I don't know. I don't want to lie to you. But let's go ahead and get into the next pattern. Next up is Simplicity 3076. So I like this pattern because you get pants and like a jacket, right? It's more like for a man, or a man. However, I feel like women could wear this pattern too. Now, for this pattern, I see this as kind of like a lounge wear style pattern, and you can make this a 5-piece set as well. One of the patterns that I will say that I could see pairing this with it is Simplicity 3110. That would be a good pattern to pair with this. And what I would do is just basically make the jacket, the pants, the skirt, the shorts, shorts, make all of that, and then use this 2-piece set, which then you will have a 5-piece lounge jogger style pattern. So that's what I looked at this pattern for. There's other patterns that I could see pairing this pattern with, but that's the one that comes straight to my mind. All right, let's go ahead and move over to the next pattern. All right, so the next pattern is Vogue 2096. There's no surprise. I am all about the 2 pieces. Now, for this one, I didn't really think of a collection to put this in because it's already a 2-piece. It's a top and a bottom. Love the skirt, love the top. I picked it up, all right? Moving over to the next pattern, now into the Butterick pattern. So the first pattern is Butterick 7027. Now this pattern is a 2-piece set, right? You have the vest, you have the pants. Now for this one, it drives me into the next pattern being Butterick 7028, which was the last pattern that I picked up, by the way. And I feel like if I make Butterick 7027 and Butterick 7028, they could go together perfectly, right? But then you need one more piece to tie together to make a 5-piece set, because that's what I've been focusing on this year. I would definitely say add in a skirt or add in a button-down shirt to pair with either one of those pants, to where you could do it interchangeably. If you add in a skirt, you can use both vests to pair with a skirt and you're good to go. That's 5 pieces, all right? Well, those are all the patterns that I picked up during the last sale. I think it was the 70% off the sale, 70% off all pattern sales that happened about 2-3 weeks ago. I'm just getting around to actually doing this video, so I do apologize about that. Well, those are all the patterns. Tell me what you think about the patterns that I picked up. Would you make these collections? Would you do something else? What do you think about me sharing my collections with you? Well, the collection I could potentially do. However, I'm not saying that I'm going to do these collection. I'm just saying that this is what I would do, pairing it with that collection. But I could also build it around a different collection as well, depending on the fabric and what I want to see. Well, I think that's it. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up or a like on this video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below and let me know, what do you think about these patterns that I picked up? Also, share this video with a friend if you think that they could use this information on how I put a collection together. How do I set it up? What patterns pair very well with each other and whatnot, right? And do what's free, and that's subscribe. It's free, F-R-E-E, free, okay? You're not paying for anything, all right? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, keep sewing.